300 migrants missing at sea near Spanish Canary Islands. At least 300 people who were traveling on three migrant boats from Senegal to Spain's Canary Islands have disappeared. Migrant aid group Walking Borders have said on Sunday. Two boats, one carrying about 65 people and the other with between 50 to 60 on board, have been missing for 15 days since they left Senegal to try to reach Spain. A third boat left Senegal on June 27th with about 200 people aboard. So more than 300 people are missing right now. Stay updated with me.